Hey, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Empire Green Crossline Laser Level. Here's the laser level right here, and I have it on my concentric EMT bends, and you see I have it on one of the bends, and this bend right here turns out to be nice and plumb according to the level, and this bend right here is nice and level. So vertical is plumb and horizontal is level. So that makes crossline. Another great use for this laser is to put up kitchen cabinets. So here I have it indoors, and the first thing you notice, it's got a really bright green laser, and that thing is visible easily from 75 feet away if you're indoors. So the green is generally 4 times more visible than the red laser lights, and this is a self-leveling unit. So if you set it up within 4 degrees, this, sideways or front and back, 4 degrees, then it self-levels the rest of the way. So it's very easy to work with. It's compact. It's only like 5.5 inches by 4 inches by 2 1/3 inches. So it's a nice size. They give you a nice case with it for transportation, and you have a pendulum lock. If you transport your laser, always put it on off, and that locks your pendulum in place. The unit has your standard 1/4 inch by 20 threads per inch tripod mount right here. It goes right onto a tripod. Boom. You're ready to use it on a tripod. And then we'll just turn it on. You see this setting here locks the pendulum. And if you were to want to work on something like a staircase or something like that, you would put it on the locked pendulum setting. And it's going to blink once every 8 seconds to tell you that the pendulum isn't on right now. But then you turn it to on right here, and we'll put it back to within 4 degrees of level, and then it will level itself the rest of the way. And then this L bracket has a system where you can turn this laser 360 degrees. So I'll put it right between the cabinets, just like that. And there you go. So now we see that the cabinets, your bottom green line is telling you that the cabinets are level, and the vertical green line is telling you that the cabinets are plumb. So the accuracy is 1/4 inch, plus or minus 1/4 inch at 33 feet. And the visibility is 75 feet. The unit comes with a 1-year warranty. One thing I really like about this is how compact it is and how easy it is to use. There's only 3 settings on the whole thing. There's off and lock the laser on. That's for staircases or something like that. And then unlocked pendulum. It runs on 4 AA batteries, and the battery life is going to be about 15 hours. The unit has IP54 protection from moisture and dust. Let's say your laser is more than 4 degrees out of level. The self-leveling pendulum isn't going to be able to work, and you get this flashing green light. Okay, now we're within 4 degrees of level, and you see we have a solid green light. And we turn it over here, and there's your lines on the cabinets. I'd also like to mention that these rare earth magnets are very strong. They really adhere to a metallic surface. Another great thing about this level is the price. It's only $149 for a green crossline laser level. That's pretty darn good. And as I was doing my research on pricing, look at this over here, Tulip, $106. That may be a mistake, but perhaps you could grab it for $106 while they have their mistake going on. Now you notice this one here, Acme Tools, says Milwaukee eLGC Empire, and that's because Milwaukee Tools is under the same umbrella as Empire, so they just went ahead and said Milwaukee eLGC is the model number. There's what you have for pricing. It should be $149. Might be able to get it for $106 a Tulip. I'll put a link in my video description for the new Crossline Green laser levels from Empire. I'll also put links for the new 12-volt laser levels from Milwaukee and the new USB laser levels from Milwaukee. And I'll put a link for the video I made with Garrett from Milwaukee where we go over all the different new laser levels from Milwaukee. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.